action.
I don't like this. Hi, Elin. We miss you.
Cut.
Hi, Elin. We miss you. And your painting's not here yet, but it will be. Hi, Elin. We miss you. Don't we all miss Elin, guys? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I already did that. So, okay.
So that you would match up that like particular island to that particular price list.
Wow.
It was, I think, a challenge. Yeah, I mean, in the end it looked really good. Like the show looked amazing, but like, we spent every day there. Big, long, Swedish girl.
Hey, Elin, we're grabbing your piece. No, I'm taking a video right now. Oh, snap. And there's Elin's piece. Hooray. And there's Brady. Hi, Brady.
Hello.